Hello, this is a demo of Unito's integration between Wrike and Microsoft Excel. You can find this integration in your Wrike interface as Project Syncs or Wrike Sync. So first, I'm just creating a task here in Wrike with a few populated fields. I've got a title, a description right here. I'll add a due date, assign it to myself, and include a status. Then you'll see what that looks like synced over to my Excel spreadsheet, which is on the right-hand side here, just behind this browser window. I'll throw in a budget as well. So my status is in progress, and you'll see all of these fields appear in my spreadsheet in just a moment. Over here, this is what the Unito interface looks like when you've got a completed flow. It's currently syncing. You'll see it appear in the background any minute. It should be coming up very, very shortly. And there it is. So all of my fields from Wrike now appear in my spreadsheet, and I'll show you how to do this with Unito. So from the interface here, you'll click Create a Flow, and then start here. And now you choose your accounts. So I've chosen this account, and I'll put in the name of the project. Scroll down there, and then Excel is the other tool. Choose the Excel account, and then the name of the sheet. If you don't remember the name of the sheet, you can just grab the URL and it will appear like so. I'll just click on the one that I'll be syncing. Scroll down here. This all seems good. Click Confirm. Flow direction tells Unito where to create new spreadsheet rows or write tasks. This section is where I set rules in case I want to filter out certain tasks from syncing to my spreadsheet. You can add rules to filter only tasks with certain assignees or certain labels or statuses or your custom fields. I've chosen only tasks that I've assigned to this account. Next, I'm going to choose the fields I want to sync between tasks and spreadsheets. So I'll pick them each individually, which you'll have to do for any integration involving a spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. So just make sure that the fields you've created in your spreadsheet are easily identifiable by you as potential Wrike task fields. So as you can see here, I know I'm going a bit quick, I've got titles synced to titles, description to description, assignee to assignees, due date to due date, and so on. The names don't have to be exact, as long as you know which fields in Wrike you want to sync to the columns in your spreadsheet. That's the only thing that matters. And you don't even have to choose all of the fields. Just whichever ones you choose here in this list of field mappings will be the ones that sync over. Then all you have to do is launch the flow, like so, and then your tasks will start syncing. And now one last thing I want to show you. On the Excel side of things, you may have noticed this panel here. You'll need to insert these two columns into any spreadsheet you plan on syncing. That's what this panel is for. It basically tells Unito to only sync cells that are between those two columns. You don't have to keep them open all the time. You can hide them, but don't delete them or your data will stop syncing. The other thing I'll show you here very quickly is how to get the Unito add-in for Excel. You'll click Home, and then get add-in and simply search for Unito in the store. If you have any questions about this integration, don't hesitate to reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot.